Hey y'all, it's me, Akashi Chris, looking at this box that's been haunting me for days. My allergies are kicking my butt. That's why I'm not on camera. Been feeling horrible, but it's so pretty out here, and I decided to come outside to open the box that haunts me. Okay, I'm back. So this is the box from Unidentified S4. This is the giveaway. So I won 2 giveaways this last week, so I'm super lucky. I don't have the best unboxing method, but I'm gonna try this. So here's the box, and here we go. Let's see what's in the box. I'm gonna put the video over here so I can look. I already see cool stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this beautiful bag. I can't wait to open it. So I'm gonna go back here and oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna open this first. Hold on. So doing this one-handed. So you'll see that it's kind of segmented into pieces, but it still should be fun. So let's see what I got in my little baggie here of goodies. I already see something cool. Let's see. Oh my God. Look how pretty. Oh my God, I don't know if you can see the detail here. Look at that. Is this like a statue of Sao Paulo? I don't even know what I'm looking at, but I'm gonna have to look this up because this is seriously cool. It looks like a little spirit in there, like an angel. It's so cool. And let's see what else we got in our box. It's so exciting. Okay, so that's what came in the bag. And by the way, I love this bag. I'm gonna have it in the back of my studio because it's seriously cool. And more goodies. Oh my God. Unidentified S4. I got stickers. Is that how he says stickers? Oh my God, look. How cool. This must be one of the things that Ron did for Unidentified S4. Another great channel, Cosmic Neighbors, who does all kinds of 3D printing. And look at all the stickers. Stickers. We got stickers. And here's where the pyramid, the information in pyramid, I think. Yes, there we go. Karen Holton. So I'm going to put this information on the video. Karen Holton is the one that made this beautiful piece. And is one of the sponsors or partners of Unidentified S4. So I'll make sure I include that because this is so cool and this is totally going on my backdrop. And I got stickers. So I think that's it for my unboxing. I'm sorry it's so random, but it is so cool. Look at that. Sorry I wasn't on camera. Again, my allergies are killing me. Love you guys. Thank you, Unidentified S4, because this is awesome. Love you. Bye. Peace, y'all.